The following is brought to you by PaulAkers.net.
Hey everyone, welcome back to Day 12, Sisters Reunion, San Diego, California, and it's the last day that Aunt Dawn's going to be with us. We wake up early in the morning, we all have breakfast together, and Aunt Dawn is in full form singing away.
Day 12, and what's the song that's running through your head?
It's been an itsy bitsy teeny weeny tiny polka dot bikini that she wore for the first time.
Who sang that?
It was a song, a popular song.
Then Aunt Helen wasn't quite up, so I took Mom on a trip to go get the car washed, to Discount Tire, to Costco. We made the rounds, we went everywhere, and Mom was a little bit ornery, but we still got a lot done, and I walked her like crazy. Every time I turned around, we were walking somewhere and going somewhere, and she was like not the happiest. She was so independent though. Look at her walk across the garage completely by herself. This is what's incredible. It's total independence, self-reliance. I'm trying to get her to put on the seatbelt.
Right,
she's getting better and better on releasing and putting on the seatbelt. So that's a big challenge as well, but we're making progress. And before long, we went out for another walk with all the girls.
You have to look when you do it.
And on the last day, Aunt Dawn went out and Helen went out, and Helen just took off, man. She was just flying down there, walking all the way down the end of the block and all the way back, completely unassisted. Aunt Dawn's in there with all of her funny comments all the time, but Mom's in hot pursuit behind Aunt Helen, but Aunt Helen is just taking off. And I stopped at my friend's house, Lynn Leviette, who's making custom guitars, made over 150 of them, and he shows me the latest one he's making out of like a spalded maple. It's just absolutely beautiful cutaway classical guitar, and he is so talented. And here's Len. He's going to give us a little breakdown on what it all is about.
Double top, cutaway, Engelmann spruce top.
The neck is Honduras.
The neck is actually Sapili.
Oh, Sapili. And what did you make the keys too?
No, these are German.
They're beautiful.
German machines, shallow. They got roller tip bearings.
Wow.
And this wood is called ambrosia maple. It's got. It's just. It's a regular. It's a domestic maple, but the tree was attacked by the ambrosia beetle, and wherever you see these figures, you'll notice there's usually a couple of wormholes in there. So
are you using 2P10?
Oh yeah, definitely.
And using a glue bot too?
Oh, a lot of the glue bot. In fact, I want you to send me one.
Okay, I will.
Yeah, because of that other one.
I'll send you one right now.
I shouldn't bitch because you gave me that one for free.
No, I'll get you another one. No problem.
Yeah, I'm having a lot of fun with it though.
Wow, it's beautiful, Len.
Thanks, Paul.
Okay,
How's
I'm gonna
your
go.
mom?
She's doing good. I'm gonna go catch her. Some funny clips at breakfast time. Mom was saying, so the last time I'm going to have a party, I guess 12 days was enough for her. She was in full form, but by the end of the day, she had calmed down and she was very relaxed. But the three sisters together on the last day, day 12, and then Helen and Connie are going to stay on for a few more days. But here's some great old pictures that were sent to me by Amy that were just incredible. That's Mom. And then we went down to the water for a happy hour at an Italian restaurant, and this beautiful guided missile frigate went by, and this is a stealth ship, the Zumwalt, I believe is what it's called, and it has the profile of a fishing boat on a radar screen. So this massive ship, you can barely even tell it's in there. And I got these incredible videos of it passing by in front of San Diego Harbor just at sunset. So it was absolutely stunning. And before long, some helicopters came by, and I got those helicopter escorts. But it's a big deal in San Diego. It's one of the most important Navy ports in the world, and one of the top targets militarily for other forces against the United States. But I got the girls out walking, and Mom again went down the dock. I mean, she must have walked 2 miles today. It was unbelievable, going from barely getting out of a chair, if you remember, about 6-8 weeks ago, to now just walking everywhere. And there's the military helicopters that came by, and that was really incredible all at sunset. And then I got Mom and Aunt Helen to sit down on the wall, and I took some incredible pictures of the two of them and then Connie as well, just as the sun was setting. Just beautiful San Diego Harbor, just so incredible. So enjoy these great pictures and a wonderful sunset we had in San Diego on day 12. So you might kind of wonder what it is exactly I'm trying to do. Well, Tony Robbins says the key is massive action, and we are trying to do exactly that with these two wonderful ladies. Massive action, getting them out of the house, not sitting around staring at a TV like most seniors do, But out and about, we went to eye appointments. We went to look at Vespa scooters today. We went out to dinner at the harbor, just taking pictures. And at the end of the day, they love it. They love the stimulation. And is it hard? It's super hard. Are they always cooperative? No, they're not. But you know what? You just got to basically kick them in the ass. And at the end of the day, it's all worth it. So at the end of the day, you got to ask yourself a question. Are you managing the decline in your life, your organization, or are you actually improving? With my mom, 95, I'm not managing the decline. We're improving every day.
Brought to you by paulakers.net, where you'll find all Paul's books and lean resources for free, including the new 2-second lean play app, like Audible, but free. To listen to Lean is Lean on the 2-second lean play app at paulakers.net.